Hey everyone, welcome back to Tinkercad Circuits Made Easy. In this exciting lesson, you are going to write your first Arduino code to make an LED blink. Let's jump into Tinkercad and set up our circuits. From the right panel, drag the following components onto the workplace: Arduino Uno, Breadboard, LED, Resistor 220 ohm, let's wire it setup by setup. Drag the LED and drop on the breadboard. Connect the long leg of LED, that is anode, to pin 13 of the Arduino. Connect one side of 220 ohm resistor to the short leg, that is cathode, of the LED. It doesn't matter which way you connect the resistor. Connect the other side of resistor to the ground of the Arduino. Great. Now your circuit is ready. If you are not comfortable with test coding, do not worry. Tinkercad makes it super easy with its block-based coding. Let's create the blinking LED program using blocks. Click the code button in the top right of your Tinkercad circuit. Make sure you are in blocks mode. You will see a setup and loop block already on the screen. Now let's build the building logic. In this code, if we want an LED, this requires the voltage be applied at pin 13. Therefore, we need the port of pin 13 set as output. Keep in mind that setting the mode of the pin of output does not apply voltage. It enables the pin to supply a voltage. The forever runs over and over again. In this loop, we see two functions, digital write and wait. The function digital write is used to apply either high or low voltage to a pin. High means 5 volt, low will apply 0 volt. Once the digital write function has been executed, the LED will get bright. We just applied 5 volt, so hey, that makes sense. The next thing we do is the wait the Arduino sketch to enjoy the bright glow of our LED. To do this, we use the wait function. The wait function takes one argument, the number of seconds you want to program to delay. In this case, we want 1 second. First we said apply high voltage and now we say wait 1 second. Our LED will glow for exactly 1 second, but that gets old and we have to stay true to the name of the sketch. So next we tell the Arduino to write our program low voltage to pin 13. To do this, we use the same function as before, namely digital write. But this time we want low voltage instead of high. Now the LED goes dark because no current is flowing. In order to sustain that darkness, we use the wait function again for 1 second. Now the LED is dark for 1 second. Now for the fun part. Click the green Start Simulation button. Awesome! Your LED is now blinking. Congratulations! You just ran your first Arduino program. Now that you have created your first Arduino project, try changing the blink speed. Want it faster? Change wait 1 second to 0.2 second. Try adding a second LED or blinking two LEDs alternately. The possibilities are endless, and we will cover all of this in upcoming lesson. Leave a comment below if you got your LED to blink or if you have any questions. I would love to help.